Greetings, you all. This is Nakia Diller, the creative life coach and extraordinary woman. I wanted to talk about what it means and how it feels to walk your divine pathway and why is it so important to do that. So when you're walking your divine pathway, you feel good. You feel in alignment. Everything you do is just lining up. Like the more you move and activate, doors just begin to open for you and unfold. Like you meet certain people who you didn't think you would meet before, or God places certain angels in your life to hold space for you, to help you, to point you in the direction that you need to be going while you're on this journey, on this pathway. When you answer that divine calling, it is just simply amazing. It's nothing like that. I'm walking that right now. I'm walking that, and I love the feeling, even though sometimes it could look like it's scary, or it's unknown, like you don't know what's going to happen or how God is going to work. But when you do the inner work on yourself, when you become centered and grounded, through personal development tools and consistency, when you have consistency, when you're programming your subconscious mind to believe in infinite possibilities and things that the conscious mind can't even dream of, because the conscious mind is going to focus on what's in front of you, but the subconscious mind is always going. It's always activating even while you're asleep. And so it's so important to pay attention to those things as you're walking on your divine pathway. And so some of the things that I do, I make sure that I'm feeding myself even while I'm asleep. Like sometimes I fall asleep to certain audios that program my mind into believing, things like abundance and prosperity, affirmations, and, things that keep programming me so that becomes the thing that takes over my whole beingness. And when that becomes your beingness, when you walk your walk, you just attract and magnetize things to you. And sometimes, like what I'm learning, sometimes it's like a surprise. Sometimes, well, it shouldn't be a surprise. It's like you doing the work, girl. But sometimes I'm like, oh my God, well, but you did the work, you activated it, you got still, you visualized it, you saw it, you wrote it down, you put it in the vision board, you put it out to the universe, and God is just saying, here you go. So it's like being able to receive that, being able to feel worthy of it, is the thing that I am strengthening and I'm working on now, because I know I got the manifestation thing down. And but yeah, going back to like, it's so important as you walk your divine path, and you're on your divine path by the way you feel. If you're somewhere where you don't feel good about your job, when you wake up, or not even just your job, whatever you're doing, when you wake up and you dread going to where you're going, or something just doesn't feel in alignment, doesn't feel right, or the thing that you really, really have been brought here to do, you're not doing it, because something else is taking over that. And I get it. People got bills to pay, and the normal thing is to get, go to school, get a good job, work for somebody else. Like that's the norm. That's what, you got to pay your bills, right? And I've done it most of my life. I've worked. However, I've always had these other things that I did on the side, that were on the side, that are no longer on the side, and they're like the whole thing now. Everything is full circle and holistic for me today. And it's just a different type of feel when you're working for yourself, when you're walking your divine pathway, when you know that God has sent you, what he's blessed you with, and you're using it. That's the thing. Like we know, some of us, we are aware of our talents, our gifts, our passions, our purpose, all of that. You know what it is, but the excuse is, oh, I don't have time for that, or I have to do this, I have to do that. No, it's a choice pretty much. But it's about believing in yourself and starting where you are. Maybe it's not some big leap that you take. Not everybody can take this huge leap right away. Maybe it's some baby steps that you take to feed your dream and your divine gifts. So yeah, I mean, it's just amazing. Like I feel different. I feel confident. I know that I'm being used. I know that I'm being brought through this journey to help so many people. It's really not about me. I mean, it's about me, but it's not. You know, I feel like I'm being used to walk through this pathway, to you know, even go through my challenges and to fail and, you know, then to succeed. And God has placed so many people in my life to show me what's possible. It's already been done, so I know I can do it. It's already been done, you know. People who are all over the world doing exactly what they love to do, helping people, coaching people, speaking, sharing their story, and transforming lives and receiving compensation for that. Like, I am worthy of that. You are worthy of that. Anything that you have, your divine gift, you know, we're all supposed to be wealthy. I believe that everything, there's an abundance of things for us to do and be and give and share and experience. And why not be able to receive, you know, income to sustain yourself so that you can do that and do more. So, I feel like I'm just ranting on now, but I really just wanted to share my experience with walking my divine pathway, and I'm in it. I'm in it, you know, like I'm on my way to that fullness of success, but really the success has to be accepted now. You know, I already know I'm successful. This is just me walking through this pathway. I'm on my way to the end of the tunnel where the light is going to splatter and just shine right through, and I'm going to receive my wings and fly. I already know that. I have to know that now, even though I can look at my bank account and be like, are you sure about that? But this smile on my face, this faith in my beingness, and the evidence of the universe conspiring for me on a daily basis, it keeps me going. It keeps me reminding me of, yep, you are on the right path. Keep going, Nakia. Keep going, because it's all about building my character. It's all about building the story of my life so that I can help other people who may feel stuck, who may need to see me go through it so that they can be encouraged and inspired in some way so that they can leap into their own greatness and be the greatest expression that they have been brought here to be. So that is my goal. That is my goal. I know it's bigger than me. So, I hope that I've inspired someone through this video. And if I have, feel free to leave a comment. Come over to my website if you're not already on it at NakiaDiller.com. And let me know what you think. Peace and light.